All right, so there's three important things that are really going to be important to remember when it comes to the success of your braces. Correct tongue posture, so your correct tongue posture in the roof of your mouth, that's going to be paramount. So is learning to nasal breathe, okay? So when your mouth is open, then you have a low postured tongue and therefore it's not on the roof of your mouth or tongue on the spot. So those two things in combination are really, really important. Learning how to swallow correctly, not having a tongue thrust swallowing pattern, that is what a lot of people think causes them to have orthodontic failure or orthodontic relapse. But that tongue resting posture or how you swallow is not nearly as detrimental as the constant forces of your tongue laying in the wrong spot. So even though a lot of orthodontists send people to me say, hey, can you fix this tongue thrust? Remember that a tongue thrust is a symptom of a bigger problem. It is a symptom of an oral rest posture problem. So I guess that really kind of distills it down to two things that are really important if you want your braces to remain successful. And that is nasal breathing and tongue on the spot in the right position across the roof of the mouth.